A young woman walks through a bustling 1920s Paris street carrying an old typewriter. She stops at a cafe, sets the typewriter on the table, and starts typing. Suddenly, the typewriter's keys move on their own, writing a story about a hidden city beneath the streets. Curious, she follows the clues typed out for her. In an underground tunnel, glowing symbols appear, revealing a secret AI intelligence living inside the city's electric grid. The AI speaks through flickering lights, sharing wisdom lost to time. The woman smiles, realizing this ancient machine isn't just metal, it's a guardian of forgotten knowledge. She types a thank you note, and the typewriter gently closes. Magic, technology, and history blend, hiding intelligence in plain sight.